So a little update on VADER here. Took it for safety and this somehow failed. So cut it off, welded on a new one. At least the one I got has a receiver hitch, but she's coming along. All right guys, stay tuned. And then just some rocker repair on it while I'm doing things, so you can see where I sectioned in it and stopped from the old to the new. And then I got my welds buried in like a seam sealer compound, and then rubberized coating all the way to get covered by this kind of side skirt thing. And then there's an inner panel that goes on it too. So get it all nice and tidied up on both sides, and then you don't have to worry. That's the bumper all back together. Nice little receiver hitch and the trailer plug hidden under there. Gaps look okay for all intended purposes.